data types. Primitive data types. There are five categories. That is numerical data types, floating point data types, character related data types, and logical data types and general data types. But among these five, yeah, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 are defined as predefined structures. Predefined structures. And fifth category, that is general data types called string and object are defined. String and objects are defined as predefined classes. String and object are defined as predefined classes. Predefined classes. So this is a statement you have to understand like anything. That is whatever primitive data types we have seen. First, one means what? One means what? Vinyl. One means what? First category is what? Vinyl. Okay. Shravanti.
Numerical data types.
Numerical means how many numerical data types are there, Shravanti?
2 data types, signed and unsigned.
Yeah, signed and unsigned. That means 4 are signed, 4 are unsigned. Totally, you have 4 plus 4, 8 data types. That 8 data types, and the second category is what? Floating point data types. And in floating point data types, what we have in floating point data types?
Decimal value.
Double decimal. And the third category is what? Character related. What is that? Char. And the fourth category is what? Logical data types. What is that? What is that? Bool. All these categories are defined by the Microsoft as a predefined structure. But general category called fifth, that is called string and object, are defined by the Microsoft as a predefined class. So if you want to see that, check it. You can check like this. You can observe. You can observe. Coming to the first category, numerical. In numerical data types, we have 4 plus 4, 8. S byte is the first one. S byte is the first one. You can observe S byte is defined by the Microsoft as a predefined structure. Struct means structure. You can observe, you can open the IntelliSense. You can press the F12. It will open your predefined code, and you can see your S byte as defined as a predefined structure within a base class library called system. Within a base class library called system. With this we can say that. What we can say? Within a base class library called, what is a base class library name? System. My question to you all the people is, within this system based class library, any predefined class are we using till the time? Within this system based class library, any predefined classes are we using? Yes. What's the class name? Console. What is the class name? Console we are using. Within the console class, Microsoft defined so many methods. Among that, any predefined methods are we using?
Right line method.
Right line, and right line we are using for printing. Right line we are using for printing. Second, we are using read line for accepting. Accept input from the user. So finally we can say that write line and read line, and finally these methods are defined by the Microsoft in a class called console. Okay, this is already we had, but now we are discussing about Microsoft defined primitive data type structures. Among that, S byte is a structure as defined by the Microsoft within a base class library called system. Within a base class library called system. In system base class library, Microsoft defined a structure called S byte. That S byte is first numerical data type. Like that, Microsoft defined second data type. What is the second data type after numerical, after S byte?
Short.
Yeah, short. You can see short. What is you? How Microsoft was defined you? Yes, it is also defined by the Microsoft as a structure, but base type it is mentioned into 16 within a base class library called system. Within a base class library called system. Like you can say here another one is struct into 16. Into 16 is nothing but what? Short. Why they have given name as into 16? Because short predefined size is how many bytes?
2 bytes.
2 into 8.
16 bits.
16.
That's why. Like that, all your primitive data types are defined. All your primitive data types, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, right, and 4 are defined by the Microsoft as a predefined structure. Okay guys, and in floating point we'll check somewhat. In floating point data types we have how many data types?
3.
Three. Among that you can check double, 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 sorry, double. You can open your IntelliSense. Whenever you want to open your predefined code, select, keep the cursor on that particular item, press F12. F12. Now you can see double is a predefined structure. It is a part of a base class library called system. Similarly, in character related data types, what is the data type? Char. 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 Open char now. Char is also a predefined structure. Okay. Now next you have a logical data type. What is a logical data type? Bool.
Bool.
Bool, and you can open it. Bool is stuck to boolean, is a predefined structure. Similarly, I have given a statement that 1 2 3 4 are defined by the predefined structures, which is just now we have seen. Fifth category, string and object are defined by the predefined classes. Let me check about string F12. String is a your predefined class. String is a predefined class that was defined by the Microsoft within a base class library called system. Next one is object. Next one is object. Object is also defined by as a class within a base class library called system. So that is a story. Finally, what did you understand about this?
1, 2, 3, 4 are defined.
All 1 2 3 4 are defined as a predefined structures, and fifth category called string and objects are defined as predefined class within a base class library called system, right. And we had discussed about all data types till the time, and where exactly you have to use. Suppose you have age, you have to declare as a age as what? We have a field called age, you have to declare as
Integers.
uh, if you will tell integer, what is the use of attending data types in 3 days? Huh? Age, Square appropriate. Age.
W.
Hmm?
Double way.
Age is what? Unsigned. Unsigned lo small. Small is byte. Okay. Next, employee number.
You can use that.
Int.
Unsigned we use a byte.
Employee number is a unsigned. But actually,
Unsigned.
employee number is a unsigned. But employee number, you have to go for unsigned. In unsigned, you have how many data types, Renuka?
Four.
Unsigned.
Four data types.
Four. What are they? Byte,
You short, U in, U long.
to long. Among that, you have to go with the last one, biggest one. What is the biggest one?
Long.
Long.
U long. That's why? Because we can't guess that how many employees will be in the exist in the company. Sometimes it will cross lakhs also. That's the reason U long. Now phone number,
Long.
signed or unsigned?
Unsigned.
Unsigned. Unsigned last one. What is that? U long. And
Long.
next weight of the person.
1 byte.
Weight of the person. Person weight.
Float.
You shot. We can float.
It is not numerical. It is floating.
The floating point.
Floating
Come
point.
on, floating
Yes.
also. Small one. What is that?
Float.
Float. Person height.
Float.
Float.
Person height. Salary.
Salary
Double.
almost
M1, M2,
double.
M3 marks. Float. M1,
Float.
M2, M3 marks float. Salary.
Yes.
Double. Bank balance. Bank balance.
Decimal.
Decimal. Bank balance. Decimal. And ATM pin code.
Medium.
4 digits. 4 digits. Numerical
Yeah.
floating first 4 digits.
It's a numerical.
10,
First of all, it's a numerical.
2015.
Numerical.
Like numerical. In numerical,
Yes.
signed unsigned
Unsigned.
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 Mm.
In unsigned, can we try 4 digit number in a byte?
You
No.
No,
short,
you
sir.
Second
short.
level we have
No,
to know
sir.
what is U short.
We.
U
Too
short.
short.
U short. Indian pin code.
You short.
You short, sir.
Indian pin code. Indian pin code. We have tried all these things.
You ain't.
U int.
You insert.
You
In,
int. Like that.
in,
Can I give you one because why I am telling you, you check with anybody. Whenever you talk about any numerical field, the people will use only one data type called int. But actually they
yes.
have given 4 plus 4 called 8 data types. If only to use int, why they will give 4 data types? That means every data type we have a purpose. So use the data type according to the requirement, according to the situation. Then you are writing a program according to the coding standard. Can I give you one small program now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Open your systems, open your Visual Studio, all of you. Now you see, task for you. Write a console program. WCP means write a console program to store person name and age into two variables. Then print like below. Like below. You take one variable called name and store a value called Rama. You take another variable called age and store a value called 20 and print like this. Your name is Rama. Your age is 20. Come on, write the program. But use appropriate data types. Right. Written the program by all the people. Who are completed program.
Dot name.
Right, over. How
Okay,
many are
sir.
completed? Vinil,
Sir, writing, sir. Yes,
what
sir.
is there to write? This much time you people are taking to write a small program. Come on, do it fast.
Completed, sir.
Right. Okay, guys, tell me. Come on, tell me the program. Yes. Renuka, tell me.
Console right.
Renuka, tell me. Hmm.
Console dot write line.
Now, first you have to store
No,
two
string
values.
name is equal to
Two
Rama.
values means two variables.
String name is equal to
Rama.
name is equal to Rama.
Rama.
Byte
Next,
Double H.
byte
age. Age type is
Byte
what?
H.
Age.
byte, sir.
Byte. Why?
Byte
Why?
age
Because it is age.
Because it is age.
unsigned
Age
numerical
means
data.
numerical. 1 minute. Age means numerical. In numerical,
Numerical.
signed, unsigned. Signed will allow positive and
Unsigned.
negative. And
Unsigned.
unsigned will allow only positive values.
Positive.
Actually,
Positive
age
values.
will come under positive data or negative data. Positive.
Positive.
Zero,
Positive
one,
data.
two, three, 4. In that positive, in that unsigned, we have 4 types. Byte, U short, U into U long. Among that, byte is the smallest. 1 byte, the memory allocation will be from 0 to 255 is the minimum 0 value, minimum accommodation value is 0, maximum 255 means within the byte variable you can accommodate from 0. You can accommodate from 0, no error. You can accommodate up to 255 value. You can accommodate up to 255 value. You can observe 255. Suppose if you want to accommodate 256 also, it will not allow. Error. Okay, next one is you cannot accommodate minus 1 because it is unsigned. So range
Unsigned.
of the A byte is 0 to 255. 0 to 255 value you can accommodate. Age will be generally from 0 to max 120, 130, 140, 150. So that is the reason age we are declaring as byte. But you take anybody, you ask them age means they will say int. Int means first of all it is signed. So first of all, you don't require to sign. Second one is int will take 4 bytes. 4 bytes means 4 into 8, 32 bits. That is the reason better to go with what? Byte. Use appropriate data types whenever you are writing a program. Then you are following the coding standards. Now come on. After that what?
Console dot
Console
write line.
dot write line.
Your name is
Right line. My name.
Your
Your name
name is
is.
plus name.
plus name.
Now console dot write line.
Your
Your
age.
age
Console dot
Your
write
age
line.
is.
Your age is.
plus age.
Plus age.
And console dot read line. Console dot read line. Okay. Console dot read line. Okay. This is a program you have to write. How many are able to write as it is without any mistake? Age also should be byte. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Completed,
I
huh?
wrote.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who
sir.
are completed?
I completed, sir.
Okay, fine. Now let me compile the program and let me execute the program. Whenever you run the application, okay, let me change the output window color. Right click, properties, and layout, colors, background white, screen text black for our clarity. Next size is 72. Okay, now output is like this. Now you see, whenever you run this application, your program execution starts by main method. Main method. First, this variable will create. Name of the variable is name, value is Rama, type is string. Second, this variable will create. Name of the variable is age, type is byte, value is 20. Write line method will print your name is, write line method print your name is, you can observe. Write line method will print your name is. Up to here, it is a user defined string. That's why we kept in double quotes. and name is a variable, value is Rama will print, and here plus is a concatenation operator. Whenever you want to print a combination of two values by using right line method, use a concatenation operator called plus, and the right line method will print the value. After that it will move the cursor to next line. According to my tracing, this statement is executed and cursor is moved to the next line. Now this statement is going to execute. Right line, your age is called 20 and move the cursor to next line. Next, console.readline. This console.readline is holding the command prompt window. Okay, so readline method functionality is holding the command prompt window until user will press an enter key. Here my question to you all the people, because we are writing program after 3-4 days. Here my question is, program execution is completed or not completed?
Completed, sir.
Program
No,
execution
sir,
is
it is
completed or not
executing, sir.
completed?
Line command is executing.
Yeah, program execution is not completed. Right now, the console.readline statement is executing. In this statement, readline method is executing. The readline method is doing what? It is holding the command prompt window. How long it is holding? Until user will press an enter. Holding. Once you press enter, readline will leave the command prompt window. Then it will encounter the closing brace of the main method. So here one point is, suppose you remove this statement, then you will understand about the readline very clearly. Compilation and execution. Now you can see. Now program is executed or not executed?
Not
Again I am executing.
Execute.
Debug. Start debugging. Program is executed or not executed? Program is
Executed.
executed, but the window is not holding. To hold the window, command prompt window, last statement should be console.readline. That is the purpose of console.readline. You can see, build the solution called compilation and debug, start debugging called execution. Okay, now, right? That is the story about this one. Right. Okay. Now I'm going to give you another requirement. You get ready for that. Write a console program to store employee information, that is employee number, employee name, employee salary into three variables, that is ENO, ename, esal, and print like below. That is employee number is 123, employee name is Rama, employee salary is 1000. Come on, write the program, guys. Right. Okay. Okay, guys, over. Huh? But while writing program, declare appropriate data types. Huh? Okay. Over.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell orally, I completed, I completed, I completed, over completed. By that, it will motivation for others. Otherwise, people will feel that nobody are writing, I am also not writing. Okay, they will be happy. They should get jealous about
Completed,
others.
sir.
Who are completed?
I completed, sir.
Tell me names, completed people. Uma,
Uma,
second,
sir. Uma.
second, second, third,
Ramona, sir.
third.
Uma.
Okay, four,
Me.
five,
Poonam sir.
five,
You guys completed.
five,
Shravan.
six,
Me.
Sami,
seven,
Renuka sir.
eight,
Ranti, sir.
nine. Okay, fine. Carry on. Okay, now we will write the program. We'll write the program. Right. You have to declare how many variables? 3 variables. Come and tell me. First, employee number. What is the type? What is the type?
You long.
U long.
Long.
ENO.
You long.
1, 2, 3. Just whatever data types we are discussing, we are implementing now. Next, employee name. What is that?
String. Strings.
Next, salary.
You long. I don't know how to
Salary.
type it. You
Salary.
long.
See, we are
Double.
initializing 1000 only, but there is a chance tomorrow it will have fractional part. That's why declare as a double. Now,
Okay.
console dot.
Right line.
Right line. Employee number is plus ENO.
SENO.
Next,
Console dot right line. Employee name is plus E name. Console dot right line. Right line. Employee salary is plus E cell. Console dot read line.
console dot readline. This is a program. Okay, right. Let's start compilation and execution. Whenever you run this application, you can observe program execution starts by main method. Program execution starts by main method. Okay, now you can see starts by main method. Like first this variable, total 3 variables will create. Right line method will print employee number is ENO. Employee number is, what is that? ENO. ENO is 1, 2, 3. Next, and move the cursor to next time. Next, employee name is ename. Ename is nothing but Rama. Rama. Move the cursor to next time. Salary is, console.write salary is ESAL. 1000 and move the cursor to next line, and console.readline. It is holding the command prompt to window. That's it. Okay, right. Next task. Uh, write a console program to store student the subject marks and calculate total marks and average marks. Finally, display total marks and average marks like below. Right. So three subject marks. Let us assume you stored 60, M1, M2, M3. Three subjects. Let's assume M1, comma, M2, comma, M3. Total M1 60, 70, 80. M1 60, 70, 80. Calculate total marks, store into one variable called tot marks. And you can display total marks are, let's say 60, 70, 80. How much total marks?
210.
210. Next, calculate average marks, store into one variable. Average marks are how much? First is
70.
210. 210 by 3. How much?
70.
7.
70,
Now,
sir.
this output I want. Come and write the program, all of you. Right. Guys, over program.
Yes, sir.
How many are completed?
Sir.
I completed.
Yes, sir. I
Okay, fine.
completed.
We'll see the program
Yes, sir.
now. Yeah, totally how many marks? How many
3
subject
subject
marks?
marks.
3 subject
Subject
marks, right?
marks.
Now, come on.
3.
Seventh, come on, tell me the code.
Float, float M1.
Float
Code M1.
M1 equal to 60. Yep.
60, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Load M1 60. Yeah. Okay. Now, generally, you should prefix with what F postfix, but it's
Yes,
not
sir. Yeah.
giving any error. That I'll discuss at the time of typecasting. Wait for some time. Don't confuse here. M2 equals,
Sir, I.
yeah.
Okay.
Tell me. The
float
reason why
M2
it
equals
is
That
not
is one.
asking for F, I'll tell you in typecasting. It is a concept behind these two lines. You have a concept called typecasting. That is next topic. Float M2 equal to 80. Total how many variables? 3
3.
variables.
Three. Three,
Next you have
sir.
to go for calculate total marks. Come on.
Total
Float
marks.
Total
Total
marks.
marks equal to M1 plus M2 plus
M1
M3.
plus M2 plus
And
M3. Next.
float.
Float AVG marks.
Float AVG
Average
marks equal to, come on,
float marks by
Float
3.
marks.
float marks by 3.
float marks by 3. Next.
Console dot write line. Total marks are.
Console dot write line. Total
Total marks
marks are,
Plus
plus
float.
total. Float
plus
marks.
float marks. Next. Console dot
Console dot
write
write
line.
line.
Right
Average
line.
marks are.
Average
Marks plus
marks
AVG
are
marks.
AVG marks. Next. Console dot
Console.
Console dot write line.
Right.
readline.
Read line.
Readline, right? This is a program, right?
Yes.
But actually, this program writing is one level and tracing, understanding tracing is the second level. How many are able to do tracing properly? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
learning
That's
tracing?
good, sir.
Tracing.
Yes.
Okay,
Hey.
we'll do tracing. We'll do tracing. Yeah. Actually, did I explain about debugging process for you? Uh, Putting a breakpoint and executing the program line by line. Did we
Yes.
discuss?
Yes,
Did we
sir.
discuss? That we will do now. How to put the breakpoint? Move the cursor to the left of the main method. Here in this area. And press the left mouse button. Now you got a breakpoint. And what is the function key for debugging? Line by line debugging.
F10.
F F10
F10.
F10. I am
Yes.
pressing F10. I am pressing F10. You can observe. First opening brace is executed. Next F10. And it is created first variable, second variable, third variable. Now control is in the fourth statement. You can observe in this statement what is happening. What is happening? It will execute RHS or LHS or assignment. The statement will execute in how many phases?
3 phases.
3 phases. In first step, what it will execute?
M1. It
One.
adds 3 values, sir.
It
M1.
will execute
RHS.
RHS. 60
Yes.
plus 70 plus 80.
80.
60 plus 70 plus 80. Final value is how much?
210.
210.
210.
RHS will be replaced with a value called 210. And after that control will go to LHS. LHS will create a variable. LHS will create a variable. Okay. And after that LHS will create a variable. Next assignment operator will execute. That assignment operator will be assigning
Assign.
the RHS value into LHS. That is a value called 210. Next, control will execute next statement. That is, this statement also will execute in how many steps?
3.
3 steps. Total marks is how much?
210. 210.
210. 210. 210 by 3. How much? 70. This
70.
RHS will be replaced with a value called 70. Next, control will execute LHS. LHS will create a variable. Next, it will execute assignment operator, assigning the 70 into AVG marks. Now, console.writeLine. Total marks are tot marks. That is, total marks are tot marks. Okay, total marks are tot marks. Means now it is executed. Actually, total marks are tot marks. How much tot marks? 210. And after that,
210.
it will print the value, move the cursor to next line because of write line method. And console.writeLine average marks. Average marks are AVG marks. That is 70. And move the cursor to next line. Again, control will execute console.readline. Readline is holding the command prompt window. This is the way it will execute. Are you able to?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now like that we are going to write couple of programs. I am going to give you some tasks for you. Can you try at home?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Task 1 homeworks. Task 1, right. Write a console program to store employee information, that is ENO, ENAME, ESAL, E, E height, employee height, E weight, E age, E phone number, okay, E phone number, that's it. So all these and print to the user. Means what? Employee number is, employee name is, salary is, height is, weight is, age, phone number. Next, task 2. Task 2 is, okay, task 2 is write a console program to store customer information, that is cust ID, cust name, cust location, cust pin code, okay, cust phone number, cust mail ID, customer mail ID, okay, and cust SSN, and store 3 products costs, P1 cost, P2 cost, and P3 cost, Finally, calculate total bill, and display following outputs. Are you writing a requirement on paper or simultaneously?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That is very good practice. Okay, keep pen and paper with you while the session is going on and just record. That will be good for you. Now, first task I am sending through chat to everybody. Right. Second task I'll send you. Now, output is finally display the following outputs. I said sorry. Following outputs means all these outputs I want. Means cust ID, cust name, like that. Cust phone number, cust mail ID, and total bill. Display total bill. This is the task 2. This is the task 2. Okay, I'm sending task 2 also to you people through chat. Have you received?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. And complete these 2 tasks and send to me. Okay. And the next class will be on Monday. Okay. And yeah,
Same
maybe
time.
same time, same story. Within 1 week, we are going to prepone the session half an hour before or 45 minutes before. I'll tell you. And that time onwards, we'll organize the training 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour, okay, and will take some time because one batch is going on in the early morning 5:30 to 7. They are also going to merge with you people, so that's it. Okay, so complete your assignments
So,
regularly. Simultaneously you check the lab book and check the tasks, implement all the tasks. Thank you very much, and we'll meet on Monday. Monday means which Monday? According
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
India, it is Tuesday. According to the US, it is Monday. Okay. Bye. Bye to all.